In this video, we're going to take a look at an Android radio. What's up, people? Got a new Android radio that I wanted to share with you guys. This one's from a company called ATOTO. They sent me out their A6 model for review. So what we'll do is show you everything that it comes with in the box, show you the outputs it has on the back, and then we'll go through and we'll check out the features. Alright guys, so right now we'll go over everything that the radio comes with. There's the radio itself. You get some screen protectors there. Your directions. Your harness for power. That's for your Wi-Fi. This one is for your phone to run your data link your phone. Your microphone. And this one right here is for GPS. And then you got your mounting brackets there. And also along with the radio, I got this USB dashboard camera that actually connects to the back of the radio. Here's what the back of the radio looks like. All your inputs. Alright guys, so I came out to my truck, got everything hooked up. Everything's just plugs right in. As you guys can see here, here's the USB camera, and you got your Wi-Fi, your GPS that plugs in the back. If you guys are interested in learning how to wire a radio, I got another video. I'll post a link to that in the description box, and you guys can watch that video. Alright guys, so that's what the radio looks like installed. It's got a nice vibrant picture there. On the bottom here, you guys can see some physical buttons. You got a power mute button there, volume up, volume down, and then forward, backwards, and then the home button. Now, this radio is similar to any Android phone that you guys might have, or if you're used to using one of those, this is going to be pretty self-explanatory. Everything's just like an Android phone. You can swipe down from the top, just like you can with your phone. There's your settings, your brightness here, your Bluetooth. You got your radio here, which that's what this purple icon is. Goes right to radio. You can hit your back button or your home button here. Takes you right back. This right here is your DVR. So this is going to be connected to your camera, which is your dash camera. And you actually can go in the settings here, and you can set up the settings to automatically start recording when you start the vehicle. You got different resolutions, video clip length, and then you actually have a file storage path, which on the front here has an SD card slot for a micro SD card. Now it has an auxiliary input here, which a 3.5 millimeter jack, and then it also has behind this a USB, another USB port here, which is pretty nice. On the bottom here, you also can see you have a touch back button, a home button. That's for how many windows you have open. And just like an Android phone, you just swipe up and they disappear. Or you can hit the garbage can that deletes all of them. That drops down the top. You got your time there. Here's your EQ, your brightness, and then that's your mute. So here's a closer look at the dash camera. So you guys can see it's got 3M tape on the bottom to adhere it to your dash or your windshield. And then the base here actually swivels so you can position it to get the best viewing angle. So that's pretty nice. It does come with a pretty long cord, so you can route it. That's what the camera looks like on the dash. You can actually run it up through your headliner and then go around your pillar and then run it underneath if you want to. But I just ran it like this for testing purposes. This radio also has an internal mic here, and then it actually comes with the external mic, which I have on my dash right there. Now the cool thing about this radio is that it does have Wi-Fi built in. Right now I'm connected to my house Wi-Fi, but what I usually use is I usually use my phone as a hotspot when I'm driving. And what it does is it allows me to connect to my phone, and then just like any Android platform, your tablet or anything, when you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you can access YouTube, Spotify, Pandora. You can do a Google search, all that stuff. There's a YouTube that just popped up. So this is all the stuff that's in my YouTube. Here's Spotify. So it's right there if I wanted to create an account. I don't have an account, but with Pandora I do. So this will click into my Pandora. There's my Pandora popping up. As you can see up top here, I actually got a notification for emails. I got 2 new messages. So just like I said, everything that your phone does or that you're used to doing, as long as this is hooked up to a hotspot or your Wi-Fi, it's going to do the same exact thing. You actually have a Play Store just like Android does, so you can download more stuff to it. You have your Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling. Has your videos. If you had an SD card in here, you could watch videos. Here's your Google Maps. Here's your music. Here's your settings. And then here's more apps. You got your Easy Connect. So if you guys didn't want to use this as a hotspot, you could actually just plug in your phone with the USB cable here. Here's the 2 USB cords that come off the back of the radio. I got them running underneath my dash. One is for the Easy Connect, and then one is actually for a fast charge. So what you can do is you can connect it to the Easy Connect, and then it's going to mirror your phone. You just got to download this app to your phone right here. And then once you download that, everything that's on your phone will mirror on your screen. Here's your DVR button again, which shows your dash cam. Your file manager. Here's my Gmail. You actually can get another device through ATOTO that actually shows your diagnostic of your vehicle. I do not have that connected right now, but it plugs into your OBD. It'll show like if you have any engine codes that you have or any type of data for your engine. Go ahead and go into settings here. So you guys real quick, here's your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, data usage, display. We got a bunch of wallpapers on here that you can choose from. And the touchscreen works real well. set it. Actually, it has live wallpapers too, and then you can actually put your own background. Another quick thing I want to show you guys, up top in the corner here, it shows your Wi-Fi signal. Shows what apps you have running in the background. And then if your battery's charging on your phone, it'll show the Bluetooth and they actually show the charge of your phone battery on there, which is pretty nice. Got your font size here. You can change the size of your font. Then on the bottom here, you have the panel LED display, and you can change the color of that. So that's the buttons that you can change here. So everything's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I think the touchscreen works very well. I like the display. The display's nice. Now this radio does have a backup camera display. I hooked up my old backup camera to it. Show you guys what it looks like. Does a good job kicking it right on when I put in reverse. So no lags or anything there. Overall, I really like the radio. It seems like it has a quick connect to any Wi-Fi or hotspots. So usually what I do is, as I'm approaching my car, I put on the hotspot. By the time I get in the car and start everything up, usually I can, the phone's already connected to the radio, and I can just pop on my Pandora. You can also just use it with Bluetooth if you want. That's not a problem. As for sound quality, radio sounds good.
Rebate plus a $750 tech bonus on most new.
Go ahead and scan through it.
Recent survey showed that here and in other states to consider bill.
Mix 92.3, Detroit tired of being, and throwbacks. Got a little extra.
So like I said, everything sounds good. I like it. You can also obviously play the radio while you're at the home screen.
Confirmation text and info.
This is for music that's in your phone.
That's grand.
And the cool thing too is just like an Android. Just like an Android, you can switch the screen around, or you can delete an app, which is pretty cool. So like I said, if you got an Android phone already and you're used to using one, this radio is going to be no problem using it. You're going to get real familiar with it real quick, and it's really responsive, sounds good, and it's at a decent price. You can go ahead and find this radio on Amazon. I'll post the link in the description box. Just click on that link if you guys want to purchase this radio. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. If you did, hit that like button. And if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel here, hit that subscription button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.